Smart iPhone tricks most people still don't use. If you are an iPhone user and you don't use these tricks, then it means you are not using your iPhone to fullest. This video I'll give you 4 smart tricks on your iPhone that you ignore that might help you a lot. First is lock and hide important apps on your iPhone. If you have any of the apps on your iPhone home screen, you want to lock this without certain permission that the apps will not open. Then tap and hold for a few seconds on that app. Then tap on require face ID. Tap on require face ID. Then grant that access. With this, the app will not open without your face ID. Let's tap this one. You need to provide your face ID for this app to open. Now, to hide this app, if this app is very important for you, then tap on the same app or any app on your device. Tap on require face ID. Tap on hide and require face ID. Then it comes out like this. Then tap on this hide app. This app will be taken away from the home screen on your iPhone and is going to be put under hidden apps under phone library. Tap on it, provide your face ID, the same app is here. So a lot of people don't use this, and it's one of the way you can keep your private apps on your iPhone. Another important thing that people don't use on their iPhone is what called dim flashlight. Now, to access this feature on iPhone and mainly on iOS 26, go ahead and tap on the settings on your iPhone. Then tap on accessibility, scroll up and tap on display and text. Then scroll up from here until you have access to dim light. Tap on it. Video content that depicts repeated flashing or strobing light will be automatically dim. This is a very good feature that you need to try out on your device today. And let me know how you feel about this in the comment section. Another settings that a lot of people don't know or don't use about iPhone is what is called lift any subject from a photo without cropping. This can be done with any photo on your iPhone. Just like the phone you see on the screen, tap on the object for a few seconds and remove your hand. Then you see this information that just cropping this without any problem. Here you can copy, you can add to screen or add to sticker, then you can share. Then you can as well remove the background from this by press and hold and drag to outside place. You can do a lot on this. So a lot of iPhone users ignore these important smart tricks on their iPhone. So try it out. Let me know what you enjoy from this. The last but not the least is customize alarm snooze. iPhone add another feature to the platform. So go to enjoy this, tap on the clock on your iPhone. Now tap on this alarm. From here, tap on the plus icon or tap on any existing alarm on your device. So let me tap on this existing alarm. From here, make sure you enable the snooze. You see, once you enable the snooze, you can customize up to 15 minutes. That is a very good feature on iPhone. Then once you've done that, tap on this button to do this, and that's all, guys. So these are the 4 smart iPhone tricks that most people don't use on their iPhone. Try this out and let me know how you feel. So if you watch this end and if you're not subscribed, that is what you can do, guys, to support me. Please subscribe. See you soon, guys, on my next video.